Good evening, viewers, and welcome to the news. Before we begin, a quick look at the headlines. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma lays foundation for 10-bedded integrated Ayush hospital at Merangi Para. Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong announces Wailoi Maukarwat Intermediate Lane Road to be implemented soon. Death toll rises to 27 in Thangsku coal mine explosion. Rescue operations ongoing. President Draupadi Murmu inaugurates Bastar Pandam Festival, showcases rich tribal culture. And India-US trade agreement to boost jobs and trade, says Commerce Minister Piyush Goyal. To begin our news bulletin, here are the local stories. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma laid the foundation stone for a 10-bedded integrated Ayush hospital at Merangi Para in southwest Garo Hills under the National Ayush Mission today. The ₹7 crore project, scheduled for the 2025-26 financial year, will include 35 new posts for Ayush doctors, nurses and yoga instructors and provide both inpatient care and holistic wellness services. Addressing the gathering, Chief Minister highlighted the hospital's role in decentralizing healthcare, promoting lifestyle treatments, supporting youth wellness and integrating traditional medicine. The program was attended by MLAs Sanjay A. Sangma and Yan Botham M. Sangma, Deputy Commissioner Anandya Rajsri and other dignitaries. The hospital aims to serve Merangi Para and surrounding areas, enhancing access to quality and holistic healthcare in this border region.
Pingrang, ia project namin gamchat pegapa project onga. 10-bedded integrated Ayush hospital. Ya area sungdong pa mandirang na sana banani bidungo. Aro dengtang health ni facilities rangko. Aro service rangko ya Ayush hospital ni utnamat gen. Chukmota na tumasya Ayush hospital ni akanon. Anchini normal hospital kata ongja. Aida health services rang dongna ba donga. Ende ba Ayush homeopathy ba lifestyle related treatment rangko ya Ayush hospital on bata.
Deputy Chief Minister in charge of PWD Roads, Preston Tinsong, on Thursday announced that the long-awaited intermediate lane road from Wailoi to Maukarwat will be implemented soon. He said the first phase will cover the stretch from Wailoi to Maukarwat up to Rangthong village, with construction expected to begin in the coming months. The announcement was made during the closing ceremony of the centenary Jubilee celebration of Maukarwat village. On the occasion, Tinsong also handed over a ₹20 lakh work order for the construction of the Maukarwat football field under the CMSDF and inaugurated the statue of Rosaya Nongrem, the first Mantri of Maukarwat.
Kum kada, jong kajing yadon bentalang jongi nakaliang ke sorka. Ban pensa jingken mau ya kesnong kabakerpang ke jong pi, ya kajing dap jong pi sis pasnet. Ngawarra ya kaway kas sanction hakwe day bat kajing angut kesnong batsna ya kamadan football hamne hapo kesnong Maukarwat kabangi ay arpolak tingka na ka CMSDF.
The Khasi Students' Union KSU Laban Circle has raised concern over growing public safety issues around the Kyang Nangba statue in Shillong. KSU Laban Circle President Jason Lalu said commuters and pedestrians feel insecure due to the frequent presence of individuals undergoing drug detoxification who gather in the area after visiting civil hospital. A KSU delegation led by Lalu met the Surgeon Superintendent of Civil Hospital Shillong and submitted complaints from local residents stating that the area is no longer considered safe for regular public movement.
Kani kasngi ngiwan daka linti pajajai but ngiwan kindu ya superintendent berkepati bain hoi nakaliang jogi benchim kya ban ongi kini ki kena samla ki bawan sim ya ki dawai ba hadin bakidap sim ni dawai ki beli bencok kacu kini ki footbath ade hamtam de hobi mot kyang nong ba wa kamlong kendong kadi ka jaka ke jong kerpang jong kaseng ba udon mulu mot kyang nong ba di Iwan nak linti berjejai, buat kubur syakiru, ni pensau buat kedega ka linti ke buat ikwa ban kerpat iki, ban pensuhu iki buat kimdei buat kin yeng dan ni bikin pelong menjaka song, jaka di rumah, jaka kai drugs kai kenja, dibat lada nak liang doki kim simkia lani kim sunyau ya kan ni ka jingwan jai dong seng, kamban si keseng kini kendiat berai. Kan sim kia buat kan sim lagi an aktif jong lajong.
The death toll in a Thangsko coal mine explosion has risen to 27 with 9 others injured. Rescue operations are ongoing at the site with teams from the NDRF, SDRF, SRT and BSF Umkyang actively engaged in search and relief efforts. Authorities continue to work to ensure the safety of remaining workers and recover any missing persons. The District Legal Services Authority West Khasi Hills District on Thursday organized a student rally and legal awareness program at Anderson High Secondary School, Nongstoin, to spread awareness on early child marriage. The rally, flagged off by Chief Judicial Magistrate DMKS Shadup, saw students carrying placards with messages highlighting the importance of education and opposing child marriage. A subsequent awareness program featured talks on the POCSO Act, the Prohibition of Child Marriage Act and Mission Vatsalya, emphasizing legal safeguards and the need to protect children's rights. A festival themed Wat Shua Latin Rai was organized at Tinghor village in West Khasi Hills district to promote youth talent and preserve the cultural heritage of the Ri Mulyang area. Organized by Ngi Thmeu Mulyang, the event focuses on traditional food competitions, elders storytelling, pawar and local handicrafts. The festival also features cultural performances by noted artists from the state, aiming to revive fading traditions and provide a platform for hidden talents from the region.
Kadi kajing senang ibarat pa, but kibun ki bam bit padbiang dan ringi la shimi kani kajing karai bangin penlong ba ya kani, but hani kabenta kidon bonjat kabeningkong kalong bangin yet ningkong ya kabam, bakumno umuliang ubam, tingila penlong dengan ni ka jingakop shet tenrai muliang, but ka daw bangi penlong kani kalong andangi syong ya kena bat ki ruteman ma ni labba ka don kata ka jingdo ka bakraw ba ka baban ya kani ka dong ka than de ki post nam ki ba mensua.
Shillong is hosting a multi-state mock exercise on earthquake preparedness to strengthen coordination and response among disaster management agencies. A tabletop exercise was conducted on Friday at Taraghar, the state guest house opposite Watts Lake, while the main mock drill is scheduled for February 9 from 12:30 p.m. starting at the same venue. Organized by the Revenue and Disaster Management Department in collaboration with MSDMA, DDMAS and NDMA, the exercise aims to enhance preparedness, inter-agency coordination and response capabilities. Authorities have assured the public that the exercise is a precautionary measure and advised against panic. In East Khasi Hills, the drill will be held at the Mauplang C and RD block. Following the Thangsko mining tragedy, social activist Agnes Karshieng stated that she had written to the CBI on January 8, 2026 regarding the December 23, 2025 incident. The matter has been referred to the Chief Secretary. She criticized the government for inaction, claiming the tragedy could have been prevented, and raised concerns over illegal rat hole mining, questioning why authorities continue to ignore the issue. The District Magistrate of East Jayanta Hills has issued an order under Section 163 BNS prohibiting people from gathering around illegal mining sites and operational areas in Thangsko. The notification allows access only for officials engaged in authorized work. Authorities stated the restriction is aimed at ensuring public safety and preventing further accidents at hazardous mining locations. Local residents and visitors have been urged to strictly comply with the order. Now stories from the northeast. Churachandpur town in Manipur has resumed normal life following recent violent incidents. Authorities have increased security measures to maintain law and order and ensure the safety of residents. Local administration continues to monitor the situation closely. Now moving on to national stories. President Draupadi Murmu on Thursday inaugurated the Bastar Pandam festival at Jagdalpur in Chhattisgarh, highlighting the rich tribal culture of the Bastar region. Addressing the gathering, she said the people of Bastar live life like a celebration and that the festival showcases the region's cultural heritage to the nation and the world. Chhattisgarh Governor Raman Deka, Chief Minister Vishnu Diosai and Union Minister of State Tokhan Sahu attended the event.
छत्तीसगढ़ की प्राचीन परंपराओं के गहरी जड़ें आज भी जीवंत बनी हुई है। मां दंतेश्वरी का समर्पित वस्त्र दशहरा जनजातीय संस्कृति और भाईचारे का अनूठा उदाहरण है। हमें अपना गौरवशाली इतिहास से प्रेरणा लेते हुए स्वर्णिम भविष्य का निर्माण करना है। विकास का वही मॉडल सफल है जो विरासत को संजोते हुए आगे बढ़े। मैं राज्य के सभी
The Indian Coast Guard ICG dismantled an international oil smuggling network through a coordinated sea-air operation. The racket involved mid-sea transfers of cheap oil and oil-based cargo from conflict-affected countries to motor tankers in international waters for illegal profits. The operation carried out on Thursday intercepted 3 suspect vessels about 100 nautical miles west of Mumbai. ICG officials verified ship documents, analyzed electronic data and interrogated the crew to uncover the full modus operandi of the smugglers. Now news from around the globe. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, accompanied by Malaysian Prime Minister Anwar Ibrahim, arrived at the venue to address the Indian diaspora in Malaysia. The event highlights the strong ties between India and Malaysia and provides a platform for engagement with the Indian community abroad. Commerce Minister Piyush Goyal stated that the India-US trade agreement is aimed at benefiting India's exporters, farmers, MSMEs workers, youth and entrepreneurs. He said the deal will create large-scale employment, expand trade opportunities, strengthen the economy and accelerate India's progress towards becoming a developed nation.
उपभोक्ताओं को लाभ देने का मौका मिलेगा या नए रोजगार के अवसर खड़े करने का मौका मिलेगा, भारत की अर्थव्यवस्था को तेजी से आगे लेके जाने का। मैं समझता हूं ये समझौता हम समर्पित करते हैं भारत के निर्यातकों को, ये समझौता हम समर्पित करते हैं भारत के किसानों को, ये समझौता समर्पित है भारत के सूक्ष्म लघु।
And coming up at the sports news. The Khasi Students Union Kerdem Kulai unit under the Umsning Circle inaugurated the Mat Shaprang Cup football tournament today at Kerdem Kulai to promote youth talent and raise funds for Kerdem Kulai LP and UP school. The tournament was inaugurated by Lombok Rimbai, Vice President of KSU North Khasi Hills District, with 16 teams participating. The opening match saw KSU Umran Nyang Bernai defeating Kurshalla by 2-1 in a closely contested game. Local elders and KSU leaders were present at the event.
Football tournament of the Kerdem Kulai unit, but ni kwaru lasem snem kanuan ke second, ke third, ke fourth. Mateng teng habang la form unit ki ajak na bentuk. Kimdon ki activities, kimdon ki ke kam berpilih nama tak bah kamiat joko senang tahu. Mak senang iki bangilit perform unit keleng kerikasi ni senang iki.
And now the weather report. First, let us take a look at the weather report in Tura. Minimum temperature 12 degrees Celsius and maximum temperature 23 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 59%. Moving on to Shillong, minimum temperature 7 degrees Celsius and maximum temperature 19 degrees Celsius and the relative humidity is 64%. Meanwhile, in Juwai, minimum temperature 7 degrees Celsius and maximum temperature 15 degrees Celsius and the relative humidity is 58%. And the forecast in Tura, Shillong and Juwai says clear weather most likely to occur. And before we conclude, here's a recap of the headlines. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma lays foundation for 10-bedded integrated Ayush hospital at Merangi Para. Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong announces Wailoy Maukarwat Intermediate Lane Road to be implemented soon. Death toll rises to 27 in Tangsku coal mine explosion. Rescue operations ongoing. President Draupadi Murmu inaugurates Bastar Pandam Festival, showcases rich tribal culture. An India-US trade agreement to boost jobs and trade, says Commerce Minister Piyush Goyal. That's all we have in the news for today. Do join us again tomorrow at the same time, same channel. Thank you for watching and good night.
That links us. You have connected roti canai with the Malabar parota, coconut, spices, and of course, te tarik. The flavors feel so familiar, whether it is in Kuala Lumpur or Kochi. We understand each other so well. It